Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. In today's video I'm going to show you how I did this look, which I feel like is perfect for summer. It's really cute and colorful. If you're curious about how I did it, then just keep on watching. I have a little bit of concealer on my lids. I'm not going to apply any other base, but it has creased a little bit, so I'm going to blend the creases. I'm not going to set it with powder, because having a creamy base will help the shadows be more pigmented. Today I'm going to use mostly the Lilac palette by Huda Beauty in the pastels range. I'm going to start with this purple here as a transition shade, and I'm going to apply it with a Beaute Slice 007 Pro blending brush. I want to do a very summery look. I'm going to start in my crease, especially in my outer corner, and blending inwards. These small palettes from Huda Beauty, I found that they blend so easily. They are very beginner friendly. The pigment is okay as well. They're not crazy pigmented, but for a beginner I feel like that's an advantage, because if a palette is way too pigmented, it's a little bit harder to blend usually. So I'm building up the intensity. And I will apply it on the lower lash line as well, again starting from the outer corner and building my way towards the inner corner. As you can see, the lower and the upper lid are kind of connected here. I usually like to wipe my brush on my hand, so I get the excess off, so I don't have to change brushes, and just blend into my other corner. That will ensure that I won't have a lot of color when I extend the blend. It will just look faded. I'm going to use a Morphe 506 brush and going to pick up this darker purple to intensify the crease area. And now I will apply it mainly here in my crease, in my outer corner. And I will bring it on my lid as well, again in my outer corner. And fading towards the center of my crease. And now I'm applying it on the outer corner of my lower lash line as well. Again, fading towards the inner corner. And I'm going to use my previous brush to blend this. Now I want a kind of a peachy pink shade to combine this with, and I'm going to pick up my Beaute Slice of Paradise palette. I'm going to open it, but don't judge me, this palette is not pretty anymore. I used this shade to do that mermaid look I did last Halloween, so I scraped it and combined it with my foundation, and I did my face blue, so that's why it looked like this. But I'm going to pick up the shade Flamingo, which is one of my favorites from my collection. And this is a Beaute Slice 005 brush. The shade looks different than it does in the pan. It's a little bit more vibrant on the eye than what it looks like in the pan. And I'm going to apply this on my lid. This palette has a little bit of fallout, so I gotta be careful. But the pigment is absolutely great. Now I'm going to need to blend this edge. I'm going to use my previous brushes with no additional product on them. And I think I'm going to apply this peachy color on my lower lash line as well. Picking up the Huda Beauty palette again, and now use this peachy shimmer here, and I'm going to apply it right here, like where the peach meets the purple color, and applying it on the lower lash line as well, like in the same area where the peachy color meets the purple color. I wonder if I can do a very thin wing liner. Well, I am gonna try it, and I'll be using my Essence 24 Ever ink liner. I just want a small wing. I hope I can manage to do that. So I'm starting from the center of my eye, and here I will continue my waterline basically, and connect that to my lid. I think I'll extend it a little bit more. Well, yeah, why not? I'm not really used to this kind of thin liner, but I think it's fine. In my inner corner, I'm going to apply the same matte peach shade that I applied on my lid, but I'm going to top it with the peachy shimmer from the Huda palette. And to finish off this eye look, I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes off camera. I did apply the lashes, but there's one more thing that I want to do to my eyes, and that's applying a pencil on my waterline, because I feel like that will brighten things up a little bit. And I'm going to use this NYX Faux Whites pencil as usual. Now I want to do my lips, and I want to try something I hope I won't regret it. I have this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil, and it's pretty pink. It's called Go Ahead Pink. And I'm going to use this to line my lips. Yeah, it might be a little bit too pink, but I'll fix it. Like, this range is really nice because it's for both eyes and lips. Depends on what shades you want to use. Yeah, it's a little bit too pink, but I'll fix it with a darker pencil. Just let me grab it. So here I have the NYX matte lip liner in the shade Toulouse, and I'm going to use it to outline my lips in the center mainly. And to finish my lips, I'm going to use this Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss. Okay, looks nice after all. This is the look all complete. I really hope you enjoyed how it came out. I feel like it's very summery. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And I want to hear suggestions from you guys, because I feel like I have no ideas on what to film anymore. So drop your suggestions on videos or looks that you want to see, and I'll probably do it. So yay! I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you're having an amazing day, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!